Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Solarclue YouTube channel. I am Akshay and I am going to discuss a very special topic on a solar water heater today. So whenever we buy a solar water heater or any customer buy a solar water heater, he only thinks about three things: what capacity to purchase, what type of solar water heater to purchase, and what brand to purchase. But we all forget to address what are the problems in a solar water heater, what problems can come to the solar water heaters in running duration, and very few people and very few manufacturers try to address this. So what are these problems? These problems which we are going to discuss in this topic, and how a company called Nuetech Solar, which is a Bangalore based company, from last 33 years they are manufacturing solar water heaters. They are resolving these three issues with their special products which they are launching in the month of January, and some they have already launched in last year. So let us start. To 300 days in a year, solar water heater will perform, because solar water heater runs perfectly on a sunny day. But 60 to 80 days in a year, you don't get proper sun. So your solar water heater is not going to perform, and it is not going to give you desired hot water. Second problem, the solar water heater gives you a fixed capacity only. So that is why the capacity of solar water heater, if you read it, it is 200 LPD. It's not 200 liter, it's 200 LPD. 200 LPD means 200 liter per day. So means if you purchase a 200 LPD solar water heater, it is going to give you 200 liter in a day no matter what. So 200 liter is for 5 people. If by any chance or because of any kind of occasion at your house, you have 8 people at your house, so these 3 extra people will not be able to take bath. These two problems is traditionally addressed by the manufacturers of solar water heater by giving you an electrical backup coil, whose cost will come between 2000 to 3000 or 3500 in some location. That depends on the capacity. It is 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt electrical backup coil. But the problem with this electrical backup coil is it is fully manual operation. So let's suppose today is a non-sunny day. So tomorrow morning when you will go to the bathroom to take bath, you are not going to get the hot water. You are going to get the cold water. So what you have to do, you have to go to the terrace, switch on the electrical backup coil manually, come down to your house, wait for some time, let it heat, and then you go to the bathroom, or let your family members go to the bathroom, and then you have to go to the terrace to manually switch it off. If you don't go to the terrace to manually switch it off, it will continue heating your water with electricity, and that is going to give you a major electricity bill problem. So what Nuetech company have done, they have come up with a digital solution. Digitalize this electrical backup coil. You can control this electrical backup coil via one-time manual operation, one time, or you can do it via your app also. You have to download the Nuetech app from the Play Store, and you can operate it from your mobile phone also. If you see this setup, this is Nuetech 200 LPD solar water heater, and if you come here, you will see a digital controller of Nuetech. So if you see clearly, this is the controller, and if you see this part, this is called as electrical backup coil. From here the wire is coming out, and which is given to the electrical connection, and this is the controller where you can set two things. On this digital controller you can set two things. First, what temperature you want. Second, what time you want, or you can give the duration also. I will make it easy for you. As you can see here, it is a digital controller of electrical backup coil. Now this is powered via electricity. Here you can see, you can set here what you want to set. You want to set the temperature, or you want to set the time. Now from here you can increase it, or here you can reduce it. Or if you want to do it via Bluetooth, via mobile application, you just have to shuffle this from here to here. So you can do it via your mobile applications also. If you want to have more information on how to do full settings, you can click on the I button above, and you will be able to see the full detailed video. Let's say you take bath usually at 6 a.m. in the morning. The first person who goes to the bathroom, it's 6 a.m. You can set the time of 6 a.m. and you can set what temperature you want. So let's say today is a non-sunny day. So tomorrow morning, of course, your water will be somewhere around 25 degree to 30 degree temperature. So exactly at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, electrical backup coil will automatically start, and it will start heating. In half an hour, it will reach to the desired temperature. Let's say you have given 50 degrees Celsius. So 50 degrees Celsius it will reach, and then it will switch off off automatically. Isn't that good? That's amazing. So now because of this digital controller, you don't have to manually operate your electrical backup coil. You don't have to go to the terrace and do it manually on and off. So now you can be relaxed because the system is mobile operated also, and this is automatic also. Automatic cut off and switch on and switch off. Everything is automatically. On the values, this a Nuetech company is providing is a remote like this. With a remote like this and a digitally controlled or the remote controlled valve. So in your plumbing line, there will be a valve which the Nuetech company will only give, and that valve will be remotely operated by this remote. So let's say you are going to take bath, let's say 8 a.m. in the morning. So before going to the bathroom, you just press this button for 2 seconds. Here one button you will get. This button you have to press it for 2 seconds. If the water present in this plumbing line have a temperature lesser than 35 degrees Celsius, that means it is a cold water. Then this is of no use. So the valve will be opened and the water will be drained out to some location. So maybe to the utility area or maybe to the sump. But if the temperature of the water is more than 35 degrees Celsius, which is considered to be a hot water, because usually we take bath from 40 degrees Celsius. So it will be considered as a hot water, and the valve will not open because the sensor will sense it and the valve will not open, and the hot water will directly come to your bathroom. So this is the second problem, and how the Nuetech company is providing this solution. Third and the biggest problem what feel in a solar water heater is that when you purchase a solar water heater, very good, but after that you have to do plumbing. Plumbing have 3 pipes. Input pipe which comes from the source to the solar water heater. Output pipe which goes from the solar water heater, taking the hot water, the solar water heater to the bathroom. And the third pipe which you have to give is called as air vent pipe. Air vent pipe you can see in the photo. Air vent pipe is nothing but a long vertical pipe you have to give, whose height should be equivalent to your overhead tank top height. So usually what we do, our overhead tank is kept at 1 floor above, which is usually 10 feet, and the overhead tank height approximately comes 5 to 6 feet. So from the terrace level, it goes to 15-16 feet, which is a very high height. So what usually happens in a high-rise building or G+2 or G+3 and more floors, this much height of air vent causes a lot of issues. This air vent will bend like this and it will block your air inside the tank, and it will affect your tank on a longer run. Your tank is going to leak before the age. So the air vent issue was one of the biggest issue. Because of this air vent, a lot of people having issues with the tank, and their tank was started leaking within the warranty period. To resolve this issue, Nuetech company is providing a very innovative solution. They have patented a air vent. You can say this is air vent. Okay, if this is the patented air vent, which is the innovation they have done. If this was not present, if you will see the overhead tank, whose height will be 10 plus overhead tank self height will be 5 feet. So 15 feet we had to give. But since this air vent is given, only this much air vent is required. This much piping is required. So this product will be available in the market from 1st of January. These were the 3 problems, and how Nuetech is providing the solution for all the 3 problems. Now, if you buy the product of this company, it will come with an option. If you want to buy this or you want to buy the digital meter, it's up to you. But you can buy all these 3 and all your problems will be resolved. Now we are going to go to a customer site where this digital controlled electrical backup coil system is kept, and we will going to ask him some of the question and we will take the review. So we are at Nagar Bhabi location in Bangalore. We are at the customer house. The customer name is G. Sridhar. Hello sir.
Hi. Hello.
So firstly I would like to ask you the question is, when did you purchase this product?
This was close to an year. Last year around the same time we purchased it, and it's installed very well. Mr. Ramesh was really involved in the installation. He really organized everything very well for us.
My second question for you will be, how in this last 1 year you have used this product, how satisfied are you with this product in terms of only heating naturally?
Extremely good. I have to say, we took a 300 liter unit. It's also a very good recommendation to get this 300 liter unit. We are 4 people at home. It's slightly bigger than what we really need, but we are super satisfied with the recommendation.
My next question for you will be, since you have installed the digital controller for the electrical backup, when the sun will not be there, you will be using that. How satisfied are you with this product?
This is also very, very useful because, like it's not switching on unnecessarily all the time. And we know when we need hot water, and we have set a timing between 5 a.m. in the morning until 11 in the morning. So what happens if someone had a shower the previous evening. When we wake up in the morning, we again are ready with hot water. And one more very, very useful tip that I would like to say is with this timer, our power bills have really dropped. Earlier, I had a kind of normal geyser on the rooftop. It was installed here. Power bills were to the tune of 2x. If I was spending 4,000 rupees, now I could be spending 2,000. This is something that I want to highlight. After installing this, it's very good.
So we have asked 3 questions with him, and he is really satisfied with the heating solution, normal sun-based heating solution, and also the digital controlled automatic solution for the electrical backup. Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks, guys.